your tongue and your mouth and your lips to start talking here pretty soon. Yes.
Can you smile for me?
You have so much to say.
You smile for the camera?
Oh, that's good. Oh, look at that finger in the mouth. Do I get a finger too? Do I get a finger too? Do I get one of your fingers? Really? Do I get one of your fingers too? Oh, that was a good burp. Oh, yeah, that was a good burp. Oh, oh, that's a good hiccup. Uh-huh. What else do you have to say to me this morning? What else do you have to say to me this morning? Oh, good hiccup. Hiccup.
Say, I love you, Grandma.
Oh, yes, I
I
know
love
you.
you, Grandma.
I love you too. Yes, I do. Uh-huh.
Show her how much you love her.
Oh,
How
this much. Oh, that. Oh, see that much. Oh, my goodness. That was a lot. That was a lot of love. That's a lot of love. Let's position you a little differently. It's no fun to be in the same position all the time. No, it isn't. Do you like to stand up? Oh, really? Not for long. Not for long.
But you better cuddle me.
Not for long.
We're losing a socky here.
Oh, no. And we got the hiccups. And we got the hiccups. Oh, that's a good hiccup.
There you go, buddy.
That was a good hiccup.
What are you doing there, little